Hello, everyone. I'm Michael, your go-to nutrition guy, and today I've got an exciting topic to share with you. What is the difference between heal and treatment? Let's dive right into it and explore this fascinating question together. Forever need to understand about heal and treatment, make sure it is clear, then we can focus on our health. When it comes to healing, it's not just about the treatment. First is talking about energies in a way. Yes, you could call it magic because energy is such a vital and fascinating element of human health it feels almost mystical. Energy fuels everything in our bodies, from the smallest cellular processes to our biggest physical and mental achievements. Think of energy as the life force that keeps everything running smoothly. Your cells need energy to repair and regenerate, keeping your body healthy. Your mind relies on mental energy to stay focused, creative, and alert, something you're constantly nurturing in your creative projects. Even your emotions and relationships thrive when you have positive energy to share with others. While it may seem magical, much of this energy stems from how well you nourish, rest, and care for your body and mind. For example, non-GMO nutrition, which you're passionate about, provides clean fuel for that magic to happen. That's an insightful way to look at it. Natural healing often involves the body's innate ability to recover, supported by things like proper nutrition, rest, stress management, and sometimes alternative methods like herbal remedies or meditation. It focuses on balance and prevention, aligning with the idea that wellness comes from within. Healing is the process of the body or mind naturally recovering and restoring itself to a state of balance. It often happens over time and is supported by things like proper nutrition, rest, emotional support, and even a positive environment. Healing tends to focus on strengthening the body's natural abilities to repair and maintain itself. While it may seem magical, much of this energy stems from how well you nourish, rest, and care for your body and mind. For example, non-GMO nutrition, which you're passionate about, provides clean fuel for that magic to happen.
Now we discuss about how can it be able to heal our bodies, how it works in system. Let's dive into the connection between healing and the intricate roles of carbohydrates, non-GMO nutrition, muscles, glucose, glycogen, and glycogenesis. Number 1, the role of carbohydrates in healing. Carbohydrates are essential for energy production, especially during recovery. They provide glucose, which fuels cellular repair and regeneration. Complex carbs, like whole grains and vegetables, release glucose gradually, ensuring a steady energy supply for healing. Number 2, non-GMO nutrition and muscles. Non-GMO foods, particularly plant-based proteins, it can support muscle repair and growth. And non-GMO soy proteins is rich in amino acids that aid in rebuilding damaged muscle tissues. This aligns with your mission to promote non-GMO nutrition for health benefits. Number 3, glucose and glycogen. In recovery, glucose is the primary energy source for cells, while glycogen serves as its storage form in muscles and the liver. During healing, glycogen stores are broken down to release glucose, providing energy for tissue repair. This process, called glycogenolysis, is crucial for maintaining energy levels during recovery. Number 4, glycogenesis. Building energy reserves. Glycogenesis is the process of converting glucose into glycogen for storage after consuming carbohydrates. The body uses glycogenesis to prepare for future energy needs. This is particularly important for athletes or individuals recovering from injuries, as it ensures a ready supply of energy for muscle repair. Number 5, heal. A holistic perspective. Healing isn't just about physical recovery, it's about restoring balance. Proper nutrition, including non-GMO options, supports the body's natural healing processes. Vitamins, minerals, and proteins work together to repair tissues, while carbohydrates provide the energy needed for these processes. Number 6, energy is at the heart of all healing processes in our bodies, as it powers every cell and function. Now we dive into energy is as the heart of all healing processes in our bodies, as it powers every cell and function. Here's how energy contributes to healing. Number 1, cellular repair and regeneration. Energy, primarily derived from glucose and fats, is essential for repairing damaged cells and producing new ones. Mitochondria, known as the powerhouses of our cells, convert glucose and oxygen into adenosine. Triphosphate ATP, the energy currency that fuels cell repair and regeneration. Number 2 is fueling the immune system. Healing requires a robust immune response which consumes significant amounts of energy. White blood cells and other immune functions depend on ATP to fight infections, reduce inflammation, and promote tissue repair. Number 3, protein synthesis and collagen production. Protein synthesis, used to repair tissues and build new muscle fibers, requires energy. Similarly, the production of collagen, a key protein for skin and connective tissues, is an energy-intensive process vital for wound healing and structural support. Number 4, tissue recovery and growth. When muscles or tissues are injured, glycogen stores are broken down to release glucose, providing the energy needed for muscle repair and recovery. This is especially important in active or injured individuals. Number 5, detoxification and waste removal. Healing involves removing toxins and cellular waste from the body. Organs like the liver require energy to metabolize waste products, ensuring the body has a clean state for recovery. Number 6, energy's role in mental and emotional healing. Healing isn't only physical. Mental and emotional recovery also depends on energy. A well-nourished brain ensures focus, mood regulation, and stress management, all critical for overall well-being. Proper nutrition, sleep, and hydration are key to ensuring your body has the energy it needs to heal effectively. If you'd like, we could explore how non-GMO nutrition or specific foods enhance these energy-driven processes. Now you know how energies be able to heal our bodies. Let's move on to the next discuss. Now, we discuss about treatment in the medical field refers to the strategies and interventions used to manage, alleviate, or cure diseases and health conditions. Here's how treatment works. Number 1, diagnosis and assessment is. Before treatment begins, healthcare providers diagnose the condition through tests, examinations, and patient history. This step ensures the treatment is tailored to the specific illness or injury. Number 2, types of treatment is. Medications. Drugs are prescribed to target the root cause of the condition, relieve symptoms, or prevent complications. For example, antibiotics fight infections, while pain relievers manage discomfort. Therapies like physical, occupational, or psychological therapies help restore function, mobility, or mental well-being. Surgery. In cases where structural issues or severe conditions exist, surgical intervention may be necessary to repair or remove damaged tissues. Radiation and chemotherapy. These are common in cancer treatment, targeting and destroying cancer cells while minimizing harm to healthy cells. Lifestyle changes is diet, exercise, and stress management are often recommended to support recovery and prevent recurrence. Number 3, mechanisms of action. Treatments work by addressing the underlying cause of the condition or managing its symptoms. For example, medications may block harmful processes like inflammation or infection. Therapies aim to rebuild strength, improve function, or reduce psychological distress. Surgery physically corrects or removes the problem area. Number 4, monitoring and adjustment is. Treatment is an ongoing process. Healthcare providers monitor progress and adjust the approach as needed to ensure effectiveness and minimize side effects. Number 6, holistic approaches. Modern medicine often combines multiple treatments for a comprehensive approach. For example, a patient with diabetes might receive medication, dietary guidance, and regular checkups to manage their condition effectively. Now you know what is different for healing and treatment. Let's move on to the next discuss. Let's talk for last, and we're going to dive into a fascinating topic. What's the difference between healing and medical field treatments? Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal? Aren't they both about curing or treating illnesses? Well, let's take a closer look at medical field. In the context of the treatment, arts is often a holistic approach that focuses on the whole person, not just the physical symptoms. It might involve mind-body, spirit practices, but at energy work or other non-traditional methods. and natural way to maintain our bodies. Make sure it has enough nutritions and minerals to creating energies for healing it own its. Prevention is better than cure. Like Dr. Forrest C. Shackley said, your future life will be exactly what you decide to make it, and he said, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Follow the laws of nature and you'll never go wrong. He wasn't talking about cure or treatment. It is focus on take care bodies and heal itself better than wait for sick and cure it. On the other hand, medical field treatments are more focused on specific symptoms and often involve medication, surgery, or other more traditional medical interventions. Is treatment and cure after it happens, or this what refers to interventions like medications, therapies, or surgeries used to alleviate symptoms, manage conditions, or cure diseases, often prescribed by a physician after a diagnosis. So there you have it. The main difference between healing and medical field treatments is the approach and focus on the whole person versus specific symptoms. The natural approach emphasizes living in harmony with nature, understanding its rhythms, and incorporating its principles into our lives to enable the body's innate ability to heal itself. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more interesting topics like this one. And don't feel hesitate to ask. I share what I know. Stay healthy and keep exploring together.